Google Image App Review. Best voice training tool or just hype? Want to speak with more clarity, confidence, or authority? The Vocal Image app promises AI-powered voice training for public speaking, singing, accent refinement, and even voice transition. But is it effective or just overhyped? Let's find out. So what is Voice Image? Voice Image is a mobile AI voice coach offering daily personalized exercises, pitch and tone analysis, video coaching, community feedback, and programs for voice quality enhancement, including masculinity, femininity, and accent training. It's enjoyed by over 4 million users and even won European AI startup recognition. Now let's look at the features and experience. For its features, it has AI voice analysis and tracking. Get measurable feedback on tone, resonance, confidence, and progress tracking via before and after comparisons. It has daily custom plans, bite-sized exercises like diaphragmatic breathing and articulation drills. Community and challenges includes theme challenges like accent reduction, voice feminization, plus peer support. Deep onboarding and engaging UI. The 45-step onboarding creates a tailored journey, complete with gamified streaks and visual stats. Now let's look at the pros and cons. For its pros, many users report improved vocal clarity, tone, and confidence, especially valuable for public speakers, content creators, and non-native English speakers. Reddit users in voice training communities note tangible progress, especially for voice training on a budget. However, some noted subscription frustrations. Many users report billing issues, unexpected charges, difficult cancellation, and poor customer support. Inconsistent AI accuracy. Some say its app's ratings don't always reflect their actual voice, and exercises may feel generic or misaligned. Usability hiccups. Complaints include loading issues, confusing UI, and glitchy performances across some devices. So is vocal image worth it? If you're committed to improving your voice and don't mind investing time and exercise caution about billing, it can be a powerful, affordable alternative to life coaching. But if you're budget conscious or need highly accurate guidance, exploring other options might be safer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.